welcome back to the Drive Vault. Today, I hope you're ready, because what you're about to see might just change the way you think about road trips forever. Imagine taking the reliability of a Toyota truck, mixing it with the comfort of a luxury hotel, and then rolling the whole thing onto a showroom floor like it's the future of travel. Well, that future isn't next year. It's not a concept. It's here right now, and it's called the 2026 Toyota Camper. At first glance, this thing looks like Toyota took one look at the RV market and said, yeah, we can do it better. And honestly, they did. Because this motorhome has one of the cleanest, sharpest, and most premium-looking exteriors you'll find on any compact Class C in 2026. The paint alone demands attention. A smooth cream finish with elegant bronze. Accents that make it look more like a luxury yacht than a typical RV. Then you notice the sculpted lines, the modern flush windows, the powered awning, the LED lighting. And suddenly, this doesn't feel like a camper at all. It feels like a rolling piece of design. And since it's built on a Toyota truck chassis, you instantly get something no traditional motorhome can match: genuine reliability. A lot of RVs are basically a house on wheels, and they drive like it. But this feels familiar. You get that rugged Toyota front end, the Tacoma-style stance, the wider profile, the ride height, the premium alloys, all giving you the confidence that this machine can handle highways, campsites, mountain roads, and even unexpected detours without blinking. Toyota didn't just build a camper. They built something that lets you explore without worrying if your home on wheels will keep up. Step inside, though, and the surprise gets even bigger. This interior is where Toyota and the coach designers decided to spoil you. You're greeted with soft, ambient lighting, clean Scandinavian lines, warm wood textures, and fabrics that genuinely feel like they belong in a boutique hotel instead of the middle of a forest. Even the smallest corners are carefully thought out. The compact living space with its cozy seating, the clever dining setup, the compact but well-organized kitchen with premium finishes, and the sleeping area that actually feels like a bedroom instead of an afterthought. Everything inside looks modern, warm, and intentional. It's the kind of space where you sit down and forget you're technically in a vehicle. And even though it's compact, nothing feels cramped. The design team used every inch wisely. The cabinets are soft close. The lighting is perfectly diffused. The textures aren't cheap plastics. They're real, tactile, comfortable materials. You can easily imagine spending late nights reading here, cooking something warm, or simply enjoying the quiet after a long day on the road. Now, let's talk performance, because this is where things get interesting. You're not dealing with a massive bus engine or something that guzzles fuel. You're dealing with a Toyota pickup powertrain, tuned for torque and reliability. The ride is smoother and more controlled than a traditional RV, and you actually feel confident behind the wheel instead of stressed. It's responsive, it's stable, and most importantly, it feels like a truck that just happens to carry a luxury apartment on its back. For 2026, that's a big deal, especially for new travelers, solo explorers, or families who want something easier to handle. Toyota also packed in safety tech we're used to seeing in their trucks and SUVs. Lane assistance, modern braking, traction systems, smart displays, and the clean 8-inch touchscreen interface that works the way you expect it to. And because this isn't a gigantic motorhome, you can park it in more places, maneuver through tighter spaces, and actually enjoy the journey instead of constantly panicking about scraping a tree or clipping a wall. And what about pricing? That's one of the biggest surprises. While luxury motorhomes can easily push into the $500,000 range, Toyota's approach is much more down-to-earth. You're essentially paying for Toyota build quality, comfort-focused design, and long-term reliability, not flashy gimmicks. It positions itself right in the sweet spot. Premium, but not unreachable. It's for people who want quality, without the financial meltdown. When you put everything together, The design, the premium interior, Toyota's legendary reliability, the compact but luxurious layout, the drivability, the safety tech, and the forward-thinking approach. This camper feels like the answer to what travelers in 2026 actually want. Something modern, something stylish, something that doesn't feel like a compromise, something that lets you explore further, stay out longer, and travel with confidence. In a world where motorhomes are either too huge or too cheaply made, Toyota found the perfect middle ground. And that's what makes this 2026 Toyota camper stand out. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. You drive it because you love adventure, but you stay in it because it feels like home. If you enjoyed this look at one of the most impressive compact motorhomes of the year, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more reviews, valuable info, and let me know what feature impressed you the most. Is it the design? The interior? The fact that it's a Toyota? Drop your thoughts below. I'll be reading. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.